Hello everybody, it's the next day and let's go to the bird city again. Let's see what the birds do in early morning. They must roam around. Oh, yeah. Look at pink parrot and green parrot, red parrot just sitting here. Hello. Alright, they are so busy. Look at Rooster over here. He's just looking here and there. Hello, Rooster. Oh, an owl is way up there. I will zoom. Can you see? He's with Ganeshji. Alright. Let's turn. Oh, why can't they let the birds outside like yesterday? Look, yellow parrot and ducky are chatting together. Hello. Oh, look, and mother penguin and pingu and duck and peacock are just sitting here near pink parrot, green parrot and red parrot. Look at them. Let's get permission to have the birds outside. Okay guys, we got permission again. Alright, now let's open the gates. They are closed by now. Only for cars the gate is open so that any bird can travel in, and even we can when we want to see these beautiful birds in their houses. Alright, now let's open the gates. Okay birds, time to go outside. Let's go! Wee! Yeah! But there are some empty houses here. That's Chicky's house, but there are some empty houses here too. I think that will be for the next birds to move here. Huh? What did he say? Whoa! Ouch! Whoa! I was coming. Wee! That is so much fun! Whoa! Wee-hoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Boing. Look at the birds having so much fun. Boing. Whoa! With my friend it will be so much fun. Better than so much fun. So much fun. Yeah! I'm dancing because I'm so happy today. It's a lucky day like yesterday. Woo! I'm coming, guys. I'm so happy. Yay! Huh? Where's yellow parrot? Where did he go? Oh, outside. There is he. There he is, I mean. There is he is a wrong sentence. I'm going there. Woohoo! Look at these beautiful flowers. Let's smell them. They are so lovely. What? The gate opened. Yay! Now we can have 5 minutes of very much fun with my friends. Let's run. Huh? No, wait for me. I want to run too. Hoot, hoot, hoot. I'm coming. Wee-hoo. Yes, we should really free these caged birds. What? Oh, before we do that, let's dance and have fun. Let's not miss all the fun. Whee! So we have to be in time. Oh, coming, coming. Ostriches can run very fast. So I will come with my incredible speed. Are all of us here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait a second, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Where's the other one? Oh, I was wrong. There are 13 of us. All of us are here. Well, let's see them. Teet, 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 teet. Oh, I'm almost going to hit. Let's go and have a round here. Oh, park here. Wait a second. Oh, there was a storm last night, so their scooters fell down. I just helped them. I mean. Teet, shh, beep, beep. Two. Okay. Now the car is on. Let's go. Let's go from there because we could hurt the birds if we go there. Wait a second. Now let's go. It's a very narrow way. Look, they are here. Look at all 13 of them. Okay, there's Ducky, Yellow Parrot, and the little baby Pingu, and our mother and his mother just right there, and Pink Parrot, Peacock, and Green Parrot, Duck, Chicky over there, and Rooster, and Owl, the White Owl, and Ostrich way back over there. Can you see, guys? Let's see what they do, guys. I'll just park the car and you see. Let's fly. But what about penguin and ostrich? They can't fly. Only the flying birds can fly. Wee, 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 wee. Your turn. Let's do the other way. Wee! 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 They like to be in freedom. Let's see their houses. If one of their houses, like pink parrot and green parrot's house, because there are not many, because that is only house of green parrot and pink parrot. Let's see their house if they have babies. Let's go into the bird city, the bird area. There is the entrance of the bird city, and up says, "Welcome to the bird city." And here are the birds living place area. Alright, here is the duck's home, the ostrich's home, and much more. There are so many that I can't do them all, otherwise we will waste time. Let's see. Here is the pink parrot, green parrot house. Alright. No babies yet, but soon there will be babies. Then they will grow up and there will be more of them. Let's see them all. Let's go around this way. Nope. The birds blocked the way over there. What about this way? Nope. Still blocked. But I see some open area over there. They leave a big gap just for the car to fit in. But the birds are blocking the way. How should we get in there without hurting the birds? We should go there by our own. The car can definitely hurt the birds. Let's go by foot. Let's park it near the duck's house. Alright. Now let's go. There they are. Now gently go on the middle. Did it, guys? We are in the middle. Look at all the birds. All of them, 13 of them are here. Oh, let's make them watch the sun. The sunshine. Oh no, ow. We didn't hurt you, right? Yeah, you guys didn't hurt me. Okay, just play continue. Whoa, look at the sun. It's so bright. Yes. Oh, I just saw a minor bird sit there. You can't see because it is camouflaged with the sticks. It's just sitting there. In camera it cannot come. Alright. Birds, did you like the sunshine show? Yes, we liked. Now let's close it again, otherwise their eyes will be very what do they call it? Yeah, very broken, very shaky. Alright. Oh, did you fell down? Yeah. Now there we go. Nope. There. Now let's feed them something. Maybe they are hungry. Oh, I just found some grass. But first we need permission. Yes, we got permission. Now let's feed them this grass. Look at the sweet juicy leaves on it for them, not for us. Alright. Oh, ducky, you have to not fall down now. Oh, I already put them. Huh? Tasty! These plants are juicy. I knew you would like them. Look, I already eat them. Save some for the others, huh? Oh, that is so favorite of mine. Better than fish. I only eat that. That was tasty. Let's go. Huh? Yep. Wow. They just eat them all. Alright guys, let's do a safari in the next video. Let's see let's see if we can spot the same birds we saw in the bird city. Look at all of them. Ooh, looks like it is time to leave. Alright, time to leave. Look at all the birds here. Teet, 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 teet. Shh. Okay, bye birds. Wait, ostrich. I mean all the birds. Will you miss me? Yes, we will miss you. Don't worry, I will come in the afternoon. Or maybe after having breakfast. Okay, bye birds, bye. Look at all of them. Okay, bye birds, bye. We exit the bird city. And we are back where we started the video. Now let's park our car here. Alright, beep beep. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe button and hit the bell icon. We will see you in another video. Bye guys.